So in this question, value of equilibrium constant at two different temperatures is given. For temperature 150 degrees Celsius, it is K1 is equals to 10, and for temperature 100 degrees Celsius, is K2 is equals to 100. So we have to find the value of delta H, delta G1, delta G2 at temperature T1 and T2 respectively. So we have given these values T1, T2, K1, K2. So we know that this formula log K2 by K1 is equals to delta H by 2.303 R multiplied by 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So we just put these value of here, K2 here, K1 here, T1 and T2. So we will find the value of delta H from here. So next we have to find the value of delta G at different temperatures. For first temperature 50 degrees Celsius and 323 Kelvin, K1 is 10. We know that delta G is equals to minus 2.303 RT 1 log K1 log K. So we just put the values here. We find delta G is equals to minus 6.2 kilojoules, and also same we find the values for T2 by just putting the values in this equation. We find delta G is equals to minus 14.3 kilojoules. So the correct option is 1.